French financial services giant Société Générale is accelerating a plan to streamline its business, announcing that it is selling the bulk of its Moroccan business to Saham Group in a $798 million deal. Now, the deal, which is expected to close by the end of the year, includes the sale of its stake in Société Générale Marocaine de Banque, its subsidiaries, and stakes in insurance firm La Marocaine Vie. The bank's stocks gained as much as 3.9% in Paris today. It is the second major disposal announced by Société Générale this week. U.S. pharmaceutical and biotech company Moderna says that it has paused its plans to build a vaccine manufacturing facility in Kenya, and that is following a post-pandemic decline in demand for COVID-19 vaccines. Now, the company says the move is in line with its strategy to resize its manufacturing network in order to cut its costs, given that many of the mRNA vaccines which it is developing, like for HIV and malaria, are still at an early stage. The company says it still aims to spend around $4.5 billion this year in research and development of several new vaccines. A decision by Apple to overhaul its Mac computer line and focus on artificial intelligence has now unleashed a $112 billion stock surge. The tech giant announced that it is preparing to overhaul its entire Mac line with a new family of in-house processors designed to highlight artificial intelligence. It revealed that it is already nearing production of the next generation M4 processor as it aims to boost its sluggish computer sales. While the news sent its stock up 4.3%, its best performance in nearly a year, Apple is also playing a catch-up in AI, where it is seen as a laggard compared to Microsoft, Alphabet's Google, and its other tech peers. Multinational investment bank and financial services firm Citigroup has reported better than expected quarterly profits for the first quarter of this year. Net income totaled $3.4 billion. That's down 25% from a year ago, but better than the $2.3 billion that analysts expected. First quarter revenues of $21.1 billion also topped analysts' estimates. Now, the bank says it was on track to shed about 7,000 jobs this year, a sign that the revamp of its business may be starting to pay off. Last year, Citi instigated its most significant reorganization in almost 2 decades in an effort to reverse years of lackluster share price performance. And that's a look at our corporate headlines.